Hey guys, welcome back to another review. Today we're looking at the Nüüd case from Lifeproof. This offers a fantastic waterproof, snow, dirt and shock resistant case for your iPad 2nd, 3rd or 4th generation. So this case puts a really hefty border around the outside of your case, protecting the back with a really good rubber seal all the way around the outside of the case, which prevents any water from getting in. Taking a little bit of a better look at the box, we've got all the information you could possibly need to know about how it's going to clip together. You're still going to get sound coming out as well. It's not going to stop any of that. You can still get access to your charging port, which is really good. And there's a few demonstrations on where you could use this. You can submerge it up to 6.6 feet, which is 2 meters. It's got snow and dirt protection up to the IP68 standards. It's also designed to stand a military drop of up to 1.2 meters. So inside the box you get the case itself, a water testing unit which represents the size of an iPad so you can test it before you put your iPad in, a cap for your auxiliary port and also a instruction manual. Now they're actually tested in the factory to make sure they're all water sealed, but this basically is in there to give you peace of mind before you actually put your really expensive iPad in there. You can basically test this out yourself to make sure you're happy with it before you actually put your iPad in. So taking a look outside, this is the demonstration unit in there, just chucking about in the water a bit to test it. Give you a kind of realistic example of me actually putting it round rather than just saying I'm actually putting it in the water. You're actually going to see me use it. So I gave it a really good thorough dunking. I actually left it floating in there for about half an hour just to make sure it was really waterproof. Now at the bottom of the case there's two bits you can easily get access to with the coin just to open it up. Then we took out the test plastic and you can see there's absolutely no water on there at all. The rubber seal did a really good job. I didn't find one water droplet after really close inspection on there. So after this I knew it was time to put my iPad in. But this is the 2nd generation, but as I've said you can use your 2nd, 3rd or 4th generation basically because they're just all the same size. The iPad 1 doesn't fit on this, so make sure you get the right case for your model. So with that all clipped together and sealed, one little last thing I wanted to show you was the 3.5mm auxiliary jack. Now you do get an adapter included that you can screw in when you want to use this. As it goes a bit further down into the case you need to kind of extend the reach of the jack a little bit. And you also get a nice little extra which is built in, which is another plug in case you lose the one that you've got in there. You also get access to all your usual ports as well. The speaker you can see on the side, the orientation switch and also your charging port at the bottom. Just pop that bit of plastic out if you use the old adapter. There's the home button as well and the camera all in plain sight. This is the back shot. This is a plastic protected piece as well, so it will protect it from scratches and marks. You've got the Lifeproof branding and then obviously the clear section where you see your iPad through and the speaker grill at the bottom. Now we've got it in the housing, it's time to dunk it. Okay, so after we've done our little bit of a water test with the included demonstration unit, we've now got the iPad in. This is my actual iPad 2 that I've had for a couple of years. We've made sure that everything's all sealed around the outsides and proof is in the pudding. You can see we've got it working. You can see me clicking on stuff. And there you go. I triple checked all the seals to make sure it's all alright, and there we go. Now there's a bit of water on the screen which is causing a little bit of motion with the actual, it's picking up a few presses and things even though it's just the water droplets, but things are working all fine. Okay, Twitter's loading here. The brightness may be a bit high for you to see. Yeah, still working fine. I was scared a little bit to put it in, but after using it and kind of washing it about in there, I knew it was going to be safe. I opened it up without any water in there thankfully, and it's proved to be really good as well. I've dropped it a couple of times and it's taken the impact really well and not kind of damaged anything. But overall, a really great product. If you're looking for something that's waterproof, you can also get a buoyant jacket to go around this as well. So if you go out on boats and things, you've got no worries if you drop it into the sea because it will just float. But overall, really cool product. I do need to say that this was sent to me for free to give you an evaluation of what I thought of it. But overall, definitely something that I'm going to be keeping on this to take out and about with me. Basically, knowing that I've got no worries if I was to drop it into a pond or anything like that. We've got no worries whatsoever. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you want to get yourself one of these, all the links you will need will be down below. And we'll see you all in the next video.